Hi, what's up, Reef Finance coin holder? What's going on, my friend? In this video, I will predicate this coin. I will do a technical analysis, and at the end, I will share my opinion. So this video is very important for all of you. Kindly holders must watch this video, and please try to understand, because my brother, I will give some very special information about Reef Finance. So this is very important for all of you to understand. But kindly, before I get started this video, I have one request: to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. My friends, first of all, I will tell you, to this time all crypto market is uncomfortable and every coin were very badly face down. So therefore, if a refinance will starting moving upward, then I think it's really good coin. But in this time, I think the refinance will also fails down. So in last 7 days, you can see 11.3% they will get a profit. But if we check out the last 24-hour chart, so minus 3.08%, the refinance price will also decreasing. Don't worry, my friend, this is temporary fails. I cannot focus on that. We just and only I ignore this, because whether after a short term, absolutely they will take a very huge jump. So therefore, I hope my friends to refinance will also wake up and give me a very huge profit. So therefore, I cannot focus on this, my friends. So they will fails down or they will move upward. Because I only first thing, my friend, is that to I invest for a long time, and the second, my friend, is that too I cannot note, because this is temporary fails. So I hope to they will recover this and get a double profit. So I also share my advice problem for all of you. This is now remember, I cannot make any financial video. I just advise you. All right, so please, all holders, don't starting selling in those days. If you know, as you know, my friend, in those days every coin will fails down, but refinance will never very badly fails down. Absolutely, if they were fails down for short time, so this is just an only short time investor are starting selling, so the coin is drops down. But this is very short term. I'm 100% sure to early urgently they will wake up and get a profit. All right, so thanks for watching, my all viewers, my subscriber. I hope to in upcoming time the refinance coin price will be going to double now. But for that, you will need, my friends, to hold down. Otherwise, my friends, they will never give you a profit. See you next time, refinance coin holders. Like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.